but I'm presenting the technique by Dr. Glass from Indianapolis, where I did my residency. We have no disclosures.
Hey, did you record your presentation? Stay tuned.
So I will start by presenting a patient who is a 75-year-old male who underwent chemoradiotherapy for a rectal cancer followed by an abdominal perineal resection. The patient developed a symptomatic and enlarging parastomal hernia, and therefore he was sent to us. We consented him for robotic pre-peritoneal parastomal hernia repair. This picture shows how we dock the robot from the side of the stomach, and then we use two 8mm ports and a 12 with a piggyback of 8. We use the 12 to introduce the mesh material and the sutures. The dissection is started by reducing the hernia contents and at the same time protecting the stoma and its mesentery. This can be tricky. One way that we help identifying which one is the stoma is by putting a Foley catheter in it and inflating the balloon. The dissection then is performed with a combination of sharp dissection and blunt dissection. And again, being very careful to preserve and protect the stoma itself. So this is a view of the parastomal hernia. Next, the dissection proceeds with entering the retrorectal space on the contralateral side, medial to the semilunaris line. This will allow for a large space to be created in order to fit a large mesh. Then the surgeon proceeds into the middling defect, which this patient had, protecting the hernia sac, again to allow for full coverage of the mesh. This picture shows from both sides of the dissection the space that is being created and its relation to the parastomal hernia and the ostomy you can see in the background. Now the surgeon has crossed to the left side retrorectal space, and the dissection on this side is completely similar to the one you performed before. Here you can see the separation of the rectus muscle and the hernia, the parastomal hernia. Both defects will be closed. Next, we take measurements of both of the defects for closing. Here you can see the very large midline defect that we closed. Closure is performed with a number 1 braided suture in a running fashion. Care must be taken to avoid making this closure too tight to prevent obstructive symptoms from the ostomy. Shows the completely closed defect. The middling defect is then closed in a similar fashion. We are advocates for closing the defect. We believe that creates a sturdier repair and allows for a better abdominal function. Once the defects are closed, the 8mm piggyback trocar is pulled out to introduce a 20 by 20 lightweight polypropylene mesh, and next is positioned against the abdominal wall. 3 absorbable sutures are used to tack it in place just to make sure that the mesh stays flat and stays in place. It is important also to use several sutures around the ostomy to make sure that the repair is adequate in an effort to prevent central recurrences. The next next step is vital to prevent recurrences. You'll see it in a minute. Here it is. The two leaflets of the keyhole that we created on the mesh are closed with a non-absorbable suture in a running fashion, but making sure you take a bite of the abdominal wall as well. The last step is to close the defects created to enter the retrorectus space and the hernia defect. This is done in a running fashion with a braided absorbable suture. This technique, even though it's more complicated than other laparoscopic repairs, we believe it allows for a sturdy repair, closing both of the defects and providing a wide coverage of mesh, and importantly, not leaving any foreign material in the abdominal cavity. And this is the final view of the repair after everything's been closed. This picture shows the mesh coverage that we're able to provide with this dissection. Thank you.
So we'll have time for one question. I don't see anybody brave enough to get the mic, so I'll take the privilege of the podium. Adrian Park gave a good review of that early today in the sort of hernia session. And how long have you followed this patient now, or you know?
Yes, we've done this type of repair on only 2 patients, but we have follow-up on both for over a year, and so far there is no recurrence, and the patients are happy with the repair because the previous problems that they had with feeding the appliances and pain have completely disappeared. So over a year, no recurrences.
Do you care if they smoke?
Of course, we try to prevent them from smoking, and
Do you care if they're obese?
of course, you mean for repair?
Yeah.
Yes, we do care if they're obese, but the main limiting factor that we have taken in consideration is the size of the parastomal hernia.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Nice presentation.